Hey guys, this is Tim. I just recently received this multifunctional high pressure trigger and foam cannon gun from the manufacturer to do a review. It has 5 different spray nozzles. So let's open it up, look at its features, and give it a try. Okay, here's a operating user manual. This gun is made by SOFIPE. Okay, if we take a closer look at the handle itself, this is the trigger. Here's a lock button on the bottom. To lock, you just press this button on the bottom or the side. It locks the trigger in place. Press it on the opposite side and it releases the trigger. To install the wand to the handle, you just insert this in. It's only one way it can go in. Press and twist. And it comes with an M22-15 adapter and an M22-14 adapter, as well as a 3/8 inch fast connect adapter. This is connected to the end of your water source. Screwed on. This is connected underneath the handle. You just push it in, locks it into place. And to release it, you just press this yellow button here on the side, and that will eject the hose here. So let's connect it to the pressure washer, give the cannon a try, and look at the various spray patterns. If you look on the end, you can see the spray pattern designs here. So this is the wide spray. This is the single stream. It's a little bit wider. A little bit wider. A little bit wider. And then this is the widest. So let's put it on stream. Okay, to use the foam cannon, you just put the cleaning agent inside the container. Screw on the lid. This will connect to the spray nozzle, and this adjusts the amount of foam coming out of the cannon. Install the foam cannon. Then replace it back with the cleaner. This is a unique pressure washer wand. The fact that it has 5 different spray nozzles all in one gun. Really makes it handy and unique and different from all the others. Very easy to assemble together. Use of the foam cannon, very easy, just connect and disconnect here. So I do recommend this multifunctional high pressure trigger foam cannon gun.